Next is economic exploitation. British economic policies in India had deliberately transformed India into an agricultural colony. So the British economic policies, whatever the policies which was implemented in by the British rule in India, it changed the India into a agricultural economy. That means a place where agriculture were focused in a broad way. India had become a supplier of British raw materials and a market for British manufactured products. So India become a supplier for the British raw material. That means the raw materials are being supplied to the foreign, that means to Britain from India, and India is also become a market for British who manufacture products. That means the goods are being produced here and they are sell at the in the Britain at a cheap at a higher rate. The destruction of India's traditional industries and the exploitation of her abundant resources to serve the interest of the British Empire exposed the true nature of the British rule. So the you can say by destroying the India's culture, that means India's handicraft industries, cottage industries, and by exploiting the resources of India, it shows how the British Empire where their main aim was to exploit the Indian resources and how to gain as much as resources from our India. The drain of India's wealth to Britain. So first, what did they do? They, whatever the resources which was present in India, they drained the wealth of India to the Britain. Second, the impoverishment of the masses, that means distracting the masses, that means dividing the masses with respect to their religion and rule the country. Next, industrial decay. The industrial was declined, the production in the industries were decay, that means Indian industries were destroyed. Fourth, grinding poverty. Poverty means a people or a person who don't have a basic means of livelihood. That means he or she don't have proper food to eat, proper food to proper clothes to wear, proper shelter to live. So the British increases the poverty in India. Next, frequent famines. So there was a frequent famines, just like flood, maybe some different diseases which arises, just like at present we have COVID-19. And the next is the indifference and apathy of the British government produce a nationalist reaction. So the ill practices which was done by the British so that they can exploit the Indian resources, so these all are the reason through which finally leads to a nationalist reaction of the Indian people. The educated Indians realize the gravity of the situation. So the Indian at present at this time, that means in the 19th century, they realize what are the situation or you can say what are the situation which is present in India, which are the due to which the because British are keep on exploiting our resources, and what are the situation at present, and the need to have some control over economic policy. So finally the people, they understood that we should take some steps so that we can come or overcome with this economic with this problem which are being done by the British. So at this time, that means in the 19th century, they finally realized that we should take some step and some control or a measures so that we can overcome this economic problem.